Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I detangle my daughter's matted hair and how I achieve soft, bouncy, moisturized curls. It's very simple, very quick and easy. You don't have to use a lot of products, so let's get straight into the video. So I usually start by applying water. That's the very first thing that her hair needs when it is in this matted mess. As you can see, she's also got crumbs of food in her hair. But yeah, so I just start by using water and then I section off her hair, trying to be as gentle as possible. So I'm going to section off that hair, the back of her hair with a band. It is so matted and so dry, but we are going to change that. So I start by coating her hair with water, making sure that I am applying it to every single strand. I try to use water as much as possible because it is really hydrating for her hair. It's very important to make sure you replenish those curls when they are dry. I'm being very gentle because it is quite tangled, and you can literally see as I'm using the water, look at her curls, how quickly the water hydrates her hair. It's amazing. So yeah, then I go in with a comb. After I've used my fingers first, I don't go straight in with a comb, that will break her hair and I'm not trying to do that. I just work my way up from the ends first. It's a detangling no-no to start from the top. We've learnt that by now. So yeah, I just start from the ends and making sure that I'm getting every area. Then I go in with some detangler. It's the Creme of Nature Argan Oil leave-in detangler. It's a leave-in conditioner and a detangler as well. I kind of use adult products on her hair. I don't mind them. She never really reacts and they work really well. I don't use a lot of that product ever. So now I'm going to start sectioning off her hair. I do it in fairly medium sized sections and then I just go in with some twists, and I do this just so that her hair remains separate while I go through the rest, and so that it just stays moisturized and hydrated whilst I go through the process. So that's what I'm going to do to her whole head now. So then I just start taking out those twists that I put in previously, and as you can see, her hair has completely changed. It is no longer dry and dehydrated like it was before. Just go back in with a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. I'm just laughing because my son is bouncing away there. But yeah, so I just go back in with the leave-in conditioner and just make sure that it's coated all throughout her hair. Now going in with the demoing brush just to make sure that everything is smooth and nicely detangled. Let me know guys if there's a better brush out there. I've seen a few like on Facebook and on Instagram. There's better detangling brushes, but I want to know if there's better ones than this. For a bit of hold and shine, I go in with the Just For Me Curl and Coil Cream and just make sure that I apply that to all of her strands as well. Don't take really a lot of this. I'm not that heavy handed as well, so I just apply a little bit to her hair and it just looks really shiny. As soon as I put that on, it just completely shines it and changes it. Then I do the prayer hands, as they say, just to make sure I'm getting the product all down her hair. So yeah, here is where I actually added a little bit of castor oil just to seal in all that goodness and make sure that everything stays locked in. She has very medium porosity hair, so she doesn't really lose moisture that quickly, and it is very easy to moisturize her hair, which is a plus when I do it. But I just put some castor oil or something like that just to seal it in anyway, and look how banging and popping her curls are at the moment. That is so lovely. So this is a completely optional step, but I just like to add some accessories just to give it that final touch. I will leave a link in the description box to where I got this particular bow from, and here we have it. This is the final product. You can see it is extremely hydrated and moisturized. Doesn't look anything like it did in the beginning. And that's what I normally do. I do it between wash days. I do it sometimes if I just feel like her hair needs a refresh. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.